In this video, we'll discuss the second step in the student learning objective process. Setting student learning objectives is one part of Indiana's new teacher evaluation program called RISE. Student learning objectives are learning goals a teacher sets for students. They are based on students' level of preparation for the class and use assessments to measure progress. Step 2 in the student learning objectives process is to identify starting points for students. It should ideally be completed in September or October. By this point, a quality assessment should have been selected and approved by an evaluator if necessary. The content mastery standard for that assessment should have been set as well. Starting points are the places where students begin their study in a class for the year. They set a baseline for identifying how much a student grows in the year. Starting points are identified for every student in the class that the student learning objectives are designed for. Teachers can gather a variety of evidence from many places to identify starting points for students. Evidence can include results of diagnostic tests and/or performance tasks, prior test results that align to current standards, test results from other subjects that align to current standards, and grades from previous classes. Using that evidence, teachers assign one of the 3 levels of preparedness for each student. Those levels are high, students' prerequisite skills or knowledge are ahead of where they need to be starting this course. Medium, students' prerequisite skills or knowledge are where they need to be starting this course. Or low, students' prerequisite skills or knowledge are below where they should be starting this course. Teachers should complete the Identify and Approve Student Starting Points form with the levels of preparedness identified for each student. That form is available in the Student Learning Objectives Handbook on the Indiana RISE website and at Rise Above Online, the website that created this video. The form should be discussed with an evaluator, and the evaluator signs the form to approve the starting points. After student starting points are identified, Step 2 in the student learning objective process is complete. The next step is Step 3, where student learning objectives are set. This includes setting a learning objective for the whole class and setting an objective for a targeted group of students. This step should ideally be completed in September or October at the same time as Step 2.